Welcome back to Total DIY. Today we are diving into the heart of coconut oil making at home for hair growth. Coconut oil is quite versatile and it has so many uses such as soap making and also using skincare products. To get started, all we need is some mature coconut. So for this demonstration, I'm using two coconuts. So I'm going to crack them open and deshell them. The reason why it is very vital for you to rely on your DIY coconut oil these days we see around the market are not 100% organic. They are diluted with at times paraffin oil, so you won't be able to tell the difference. But there are sometimes from 70 to 50% coconut oil concentration. So most of the time when you use them for something that requires coconut oil, they won't work well. Maybe if it is just for cosmetic application or maybe in your skincare production, well, it might be manageable. But when it comes to maybe using them for soap making, it's quite a problem because every oil has its own saponification value. So once you crack them open, the next step is to deshell them. Then we go ahead and cut them into a blendable size. Then once done, transfer them into your blender. Add some water then blend them smoothly. Now align cheesecloth on a bowl and transfer them into the cheesecloth and squeeze out the milk. That is what we'll be working with. So squeeze out as much milk as you can. Then I'm going to transfer it into a nylon. Then I'm going to rinse blend the shafts we extracted the milk from. So this step is not necessary. You can totally skip this step. It's optional. Just have to ensure all the milks are extracted from the shafts. And you repeat the same process, transfer it into the nylon bag. So these are the shafts I got from the coconut after extracting the milk. So I will repeat the same process until I am done blending all the coconut. So I've transferred all the milk into the nylon and tie them out and keep it straight. Preferably hang it with a rope. You can hang it, tie them out and hang it with a rope and let it stand straight for like 8 to 24 hours. So after 13 hours, this is how it looks like. So the oil and the cord are separated. I mean the oil and the water are separated. So the cord and the oil at the top while the water beneath. So I'm going to use a toothpick to pierce the bottom to release the water. So what we are trying to do here is to get rid of the water beneath. So once we are done getting rid of the water, then we need to transfer it into a saucepan. Making coconut oil is very simple, it's not complicated, and you don't need complex equipment before making your coconut oil at home. Then I will transfer them to a stove top and cook on medium heat. Stir from time to time to prevent it sticking to the bottom or get burned at the bottom. As you can see, the oil is started separating from the cord. Can you see that? Pure coconut oil. This is what you can 100% rely on for any applications that requires coconut oil. So keep on stir from time to time. And at this point, you can continue cooking it until it turns golden brown. Preferably transfer it into a strainer to strain out all the oil. Why I'm doing this is to prevent the oil from turning to brown. Because if you keep on cooking it, as you are cooking it with the cord will be changing in color, and this will eventually affect the color of your coconut oil. Press out the oil as much as you can. And turn on the heat to dry out the water that got in with the oil. Remember the water has not completely dried from the cord before we press it out. So we need to dry out those excess water from the oil. Then turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely before transferring it into your container. So I was just going to filter it with the help of chiffon cloth to make sure there is no particle get into the oil. Can you see how pure it is? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your loved ones so that they can also benefit from it. And most importantly, do not forget to hit the notification bell for more DIY projects like this. Thanks for watching.